18, and LP is going to show you guys how to use the timer on a Casio watch.
Alright, this Casio, it has the day, which is Saturday, the month, which is December, which is 12, and the date, which is the 8th of December. And down here is your time, 3:38 p.m. So now we want to go to the mode where you can set the timer. So you got A is there, B is there, C and D. A, B, C, D. So you push C, and there's your timer mode. You got the time up here, and you got down here, you got to set the time, or set the alarm. So to get this to flash, you hold A in until it starts flashing. Alright, now you see this 0 flashing? That is the hour mode. You push B for 24 hours. And if you want to go back, you push D. So now it's 0 hours. Now you want to set, this is the minute and this is the seconds. So you push the C and you set your minutes by pushing 2, 3, 4. Say you went too far, you want to go back, you push B. Takes you back to 0. And you want to do the seconds. It'll flash there, and you use D. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can use B to go the other way. 2, 1. So after you get what you want, say you want 15 seconds. I'm going to push D here. You can hold it down, it'll run on up there fast. There you got 15 seconds. So then we got it set for 15 seconds, and when it goes off, it's going to sound an alarm for 10 seconds. You can push any button to stop it. Then it goes back to the 15. And to get rid of the 15, you Jesus.
Go.
Okay, I have 15 seconds on here, and if I want to get rid of that, I have to get the 15 to flashing. So I have to hold the A in until I got that flashing. This is the hour that's flashing, this is the minute, and this is the seconds. So now I push C. I want to get rid of the 15. I'll hold B and D, and that got rid of the 15. Now I want to go back. Say I want to put say I want to put the hours in there. You see the 0 up on the top line flashing? I can put 23 hours, 22 hours, 20. Alright, say I want to put minutes. I have to move it down there. I can use this. But I want to get rid of that. I can drop it back by going the other way using B. Okay, now your timer's back to 0. I'll go back to, want to get rid of this mode, go back to the regular mode, I push C.
And you got your time and your date.
Right. Here's the timer mode. The time is up here. And the mode's down here. To get this to flash, push A to set your whatever time you want to start.
Is that it, LP?
That's it.
Alrighty, guys. Hope it helps.